Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Philips Sonicare toothbrush not turning on, full reset and power button fix. Fix 1 is charge the toothbrush. Place the toothbrush handle on the charger, then make sure the charger is plugged into a working power outlet. Leave it charging for at least 24 hours if the battery is completely drained. Check if the charging light turns on. Second one is reset the toothbrush. Place the toothbrush on the charger, then leave it on the charger for about 30 seconds. Remove the handle from the charger. Press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Plug it back on the charger and try turning it on. Third one is clean the power button. Rinse the handle with warm water. Gently clean around the power button using a soft cloth or toothbrush. Press the button several times to remove any dirt or toothbrush or toothpaste buildup. Then try the handle and try turning it on again. Fourth one is check the charger. Plug the charger into another wall outlet, then make sure the toothbrush is sitting correctly on the charging base. If available, try another compatible Philips Sonicare charger. Thanks for watching.